the truth is here, so we're at a new location. I'm actually at some abandoned, used to be a ghost town, is what they call it, and we got some truck out here. It's abandoned. And I'm trying my new gimbal. I got a gimbal, so I'm just seeing how this thing works. The first time. But there's more stuff back here. There's like a tractor, but this all used to be buildings and stuff. Used to be all kinds of buildings back here and stuff. Got all this concrete. Yeah, it used to be a railroad station or something a long time ago. But there's so much like stuff back here. Abandoned tractors, all kinds of stuff. There's wood, a wood pile over there. That was part of the buildings. They just never really done anything to get rid of all the stuff that's back here. I mean, there's tractors back here, big tractors. I forgot the name of the railroad company that used to be back here or whatever, but I mean, it was they call it a ghost town because it literally was so big back here. So big back here that it's from the 1830s. So yeah, it's definitely interesting back here. Was. I mean, they had some big tractors back here. I don't know if they've cleaned it out. Looks like they have cleaned some of the areas out. Sorry about the wind, guys. Seems like every time I want to go out and explore, and it's a beautiful day today too. But yeah, it just has to be windy out. But here's a big one. Big old tractor, ain't going nowhere. I got this truck back here. They had an old backhoe. Not a backhoe. I'm talking like it was a big Caterpillar tractor back here. Here's an old truck. Oop. Really cool. Yeah, see, look at that. Yeah, here's still remnants of the building right here. One of the buildings. Some metal beams, big old metal beams and stuff. You got mountains of bricks that are still back here because they just don't know what to do. I guess they don't know what to do with them or whatever. But I don't remember where this big old tractor is. I'm trying to think of where this tractor was. I thought there was a couple of them back here. unless they moved them out. I mean, it's been forever since I've been back here. Look at it. These all used to be buildings. All this concrete used to be buildings. So it was a big, yeah, once again, it was a big old railroad company. I don't remember where I seen these tractors, so I could be looking all day for these darn things. Unless they took them out. I ain't been back here forever. Huh. I mean, they could be all behind those trees too. That's how long ago it's been since I've been here. So, we'll just look around a little bit more. I just wanted to get this place documented. Excuse me. Yeah, I don't know where they went. The big old tractors. Darn, that sucks. Oh, wow. Oh, dang, that's underwater, though. Wow, I wonder what's down there. Yeah, there's some kind of tunnel down in there. I don't know how deep that is or whatever. Oh, bob wire. Building wire. I think my gimbal's dying on me or something. I don't know. So you can tell the difference now because it's not functioning. For some weird reason my gimbal's not working back here. We powered it off and we turn it back on. Okay, now it's functioning. Seems to be. I'm gonna go back over this area, see if I can find. Man, that ticks me off, irritates me kind of, because I know there's these big old Caterpillar tractors back here. There's another thing down in there, a little tunnel thing. Who knows what's down there? They could have hauled them out. The tractors, they could have hauled them out, so that kind of irritates me. I just don't remember where they were. I don't want it. Dang it, what the heck is up with this gimbal? Wow, they have built up a lot of dirt back here too, but these are all parts of bricks and stuff of the buildings that used to be back here. There's another area down in there. But we'll go over this way again. See if I can find anything. And if not, I'm just gonna call it a done deal on this place. But I really wish they had those big old tractors back here. I know I keep saying it, talking about them, because they're cool. They're actually starting to be vandalized too, so they might have moved them out of here because of that. I mean, this place was huge. I can't exaggerate how, or I can't explain how huge this place was back in the day. I mean, it was here in the 90s, early 90s, and then they just started tearing them down because they weren't being used. So now they just been piling up dirt back here and stuff too. And you can see there's trucks. Trucks have been back here. Heck, they actually might be still back here. That'd be crazy. There's something down in there. I'll do the research and stuff too. See, there's other parts of the building. Big old piles of wood. But I'll do the research and I'll have the description of the place, what the place is called. Yeah, I ain't seeing no tractors. A lot of concrete back here. That big old piece of iron. That's thick. That's thick. Look at that big old piece of iron. My gimbal would function properly. That is nuts. Look at all this good brick. Dang it! Why does it keep doing it? I'm sorry. I'm just learning how to use this gimbal. So look at all that brick. That is thick. That is thick. Wow, that's thick. I'll go back to this one little area back here. See if the tractors are back here. It probably ain't. I guess they moved them out. They had to have moved them out. Because like I said, they were being vandalized. And I don't remember exactly where they were. You're kidding me. Is that one of them over there? I don't know about that. That's out in the open. Dang it. What is up with this gimbal? It's got a mind of its own, I tell you. This was abandoned. They weren't doing anything with it, them. I could have sworn they were over in that area. But, well, that sucks, because that would have made a good thing for my video, that people that like these tractors, because I got like 81,000 views on my tractor video, my abandoned John Deere tractor. I ain't seeing them nowhere, so they must have hauled them out of here. All over the place. But yeah, I'm gonna go get some pictures of these tractor, or this tractor and the trucks, and call it a done on this place, because it is done. Those are concrete masses. Look at these bars, these big old metal bars. Sorry for getting a lot of wind again. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stop it here. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you like my content. Thank you to all my subscribers, all my viewers. The truth is here.